what happens to your food waste after the council collects it. Firstly, it's taken to one of the council's recycling depots in Caernarfon or Harlech, before being moved to a special plant near Clonmacnoise Vawr, where it is broken down to make biogas and biofertiliser in a big machine called an anaerobic digester. The tiny bugs inside the machine turn the food waste into biogas. This gas is then sent through a pipe into a special gas holder, which is a bit like a big balloon. The next step is to burn the gas in a special powerful engine. This process creates a huge amount of heat and power that is then turned into electricity. 10% of the electricity that is generated is used to power the plant, whilst the remaining 90% is fed to the national grid. Every year, food waste from Gwynedd generates enough electricity to power over 1,000 homes or a village the size of Penygroes. What's left from the process is biofertiliser, which is full of nutrients. This biofertiliser is pasteurised to kill any nasties and then stored in large tanks. Twice a year, a local farmer comes to collect the biofertiliser and is spread on his land. The whole process is completed here in Gwynedd, and the biofertiliser itself is much better for our environment than using fossil-based fertiliser. Voila! What starts on the farm ends on the farm, and the whole process is good for our environment.